Morning, children of class 8. Once again, we are back together in English literature class. Um, you have finished your second unit test, and from today, I am going to start your annual syllabus. Today, I am with you all with the first lesson of yours, that is um, lesson 9, The Time Machine. This is a drama which is written by H.G. Wells. Actually, this is an adaptation from The Time Machine. Okay, so what is a time machine? First, you tell me. Time machine is a machine which takes you back to the either previous time or to the future time. Time, it moves with time. So that is why it has been called a time machine. So let's read what is there in the story. So location means the place or the venue where the drama has been sorted out. It is a time traveler's house. Time traveler means a person who moves with time. So he is a time traveler. He is a character of the drama. So it is the scenario. The whole scene is taking place in the house of time traveler. How many characters are there? Time traveler, Philby, medical man, provincial mayor, psychologist, young man, and writer. So these are the characters involved in this drama. Okay. So now, the time traveler's gray eyes. That means the person is having gray eyes. That is clear. Shone and twinkled. When your eyes starts twinkling, that is when you have discovered something new and something innovative, which no one has else been able to discover till now. At that time, your eye starts shining. Oh, I'm going to tell something new, something innovative. And the people who are going to listen to it are going to be shocked. Twinkled and his usually pale face. সাধারণত ওর মুখটা pale থাকে means it doesn't look very lively, but today he is looking very lively, was flushed and animated. He was very excited. He was very eagerly waiting for the time to speak something in front of people. The fire burned brightly. The fire means something which is inside his mind and heart that was burning, and it could be easily calculated from his face. And the soft radiance of incandescent lights. Incandescent means something which is very bright, something which is very glowing. Okay. Flashed as we sat around listening to him intently. You see, in page number 107, the picture is given that his friends are sitting and they are listening to the person who is standing and narrating something. He is the time traveler. Okay, so let's see what time traveler is telling. Time traveler. Clearly, any real body must have extension in 4 directions. It must have length, breadth, thickness, and duration. When we think about a body or a person or anything which can be moved, that have 4 basic dimensions. First is the length, lomba, breadth, chowda, thickness, কতটা মোটা, and duration, and কতটা দূরত্ব বা কতটা সময়. There are really 4 dimensions, 3 of which we call the 3 planes of space, and the 4th, which is our understanding of time. 3টে জিনিস আছে যেটাকে আমরা স্পেসের টাইমের মাঝখানে প্লেস বা জায়গা টাইমের ওপরে ধরতে পারি, and the 4th is timing. That depends upon একটা মানুষ বা একটা জিনিস একটা জায়গা থেকে আরেকটা জায়গায় যাবে, তার thickness, length, breadth, weight সব কিছুর ওপর ডিপেন্ড করে. It will take the time. The more the weight is, it will take more time. The less the weight is, it will take less time. That is how time is related. We make a distinction between the first 3 dimensions and the 4th dimension because our consciousness moves in one direction across the duration of our lives. আমরা সব কিছুর সঙ্গে টাইমটাকে ইভ্যালুয়েট করি বা টাইমটাকে রিমুভ করে রাখি, বিকজ we know that how much time can a thing take if it is thick, if it is thin, if it is fat, if it is light, if it is heavy. We have a conception in our mind. Young man is another character. That is very clear indeed. That we can understand. Time traveler. Now, it is very remarkable that this is so overlooked, and this thing is overlooked. He is thick, or the matter is more weighty, so the matter will take more time to move. It's natural, so nobody gives so much attention in this matter. The fourth dimension is only another way of looking at time. But if you give specific uh, stress on the specific direction, that is time or dimension rather, then the dimension is another angle when you can calculate time. There is no difference between time and any of the three dimensions of space except that our consciousness move along it. There is no difference between the other three dimensions and time if our consciousness or our sense moves with that. But some foolish people have got hold of the wrong side of that idea. You have all heard what they have to say about this fourth dimension. কিন্তু কিছু বোকা লোকজন আছে যারা এই ফোর্থ ডাইমেনশনটাকে এমন একটা আখ্যা দেয় বা এমন একটা ডেফিনিশন দেয় that we people feel love. Provincial mayor. I have not. That means what? I have not done it. Maybe some foolish persons are there, but I am not among them. I am a bit clever. I don't visualize time as that. Time traveler. It is simply this: time is only a kind of space. We can only calculate time as a space. একটা জায়গা. It takes a specific area. Medical man. But if time is really only a fourth dimension of space, why has it always been regarded as something different? Now, he is a medical person, that means logical. So, he is calculating the thing in his own logic. Now, he is telling that if it is really so, then why time is different? Means when people calculate the other three dimensions in some other way, but they calculate time in some other way. If, according to you, time is equal or similar to other three dimensions, then it should have been calculated similarly along with that. But it's not so. It is calculated a bit different way, and I mean, in a specific genre. And why cannot we move in time as we move about in other dimensions of space? That means when we are thick, we try to be thin. When we are thin, some people try to be thick. When we are short, we try to be longer, or we try to increase our height. But in case of time, we cannot do it. The time which has already been passed, that can never be brought back, or the time which is going to come in future, that cannot be moved. You cannot move forward and reach the time. Then how can you say that time and other three dimensions are same? By this question, the time traveler smiled. He had just given a small smile. শুধু হাসলো. My dear sir, that is just where you are wrong. My dear sir, this is the point where you are wrong. Absolutely incorrect. Now, the question is, how did the time traveler described time? According to him, time is similarly other three dimensions. But the medical person questions, how can time be similar to them? Why then it is never been able to be calculated earlier, or we cannot move in future? Now let's see what actually time traveler answers, but that we will see in our next session. Till then, go through this part. It's a nice story. Okay? Remain healthy. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.